If you have made it this far, thank you for your time and I appreciate your attention. Thanks, means a lot. Also, I wanted to share with you some exciting news. I have 2 openings in my violin studio, and I'll be happy to take some new students and help them learn some new skills on violin. So let's talk. If you can just visit my website, there's a link there where you can fill out the contact me form. I read all those submitted forms, and I'll be happy to write you back and let you know if I can help. So let's connect, and I hope that I can help you learn some new things. Thank you.